got talent as a long snapper.
He should know. He's played in the USFL.
You think I'm big enough?
Yeah, well, why don't you try taking steroids for a while?
Yeah.
You bulk up.
Yeah, maybe I will. That's all the encouragement I needed. I took anabolic steroids, an illegal growth hormone that puts on muscle mass. It's used in racehorses to increase speed and explosion. I started consuming nearly 10,000 calories a day, and I got huge. At 290 pounds of muscle, I was bench pressing over 500 pounds. My passion to play in the NFL because of possession really killed me.
We'll hear where Greg's obsession led him in just a moment. Some men living on the streets have decided, what's the use? They give up trying to find a job, they give up on themselves. But the motto at Pacific Garden Mission is, never give up on them. No matter how a man looks on the outside or how discouraged he is on the inside, he is still made in the image of God. And folks at the mission know that God can change any man. The men's division is dedicated to transforming lives from despair to God's purpose through prayer, Bible study, and counseling, through classes that range from basic reading skills to job training. Each man has the opportunity to help out around the mission or work at outside jobs. Some work on staff. All the men take part in the Bible study and worship service that starts and ends the day.